Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dommi. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate that very much. In today's video, I have this fun, colorful look that's perfect for the spring and summertime. I achieved this look by only using the yellow color in the Morphe X James Charles palette. And as you can see in the video, I primed my eyelids with the Morphe eyeshadow primer. And now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and building the yellow color up to my liking. Now I'm just taking this number 21 brush from BH Cosmetics and I'm packing the yellow color onto my lid. Using the fluffy brush from before, I'm just going back into my crease and making sure to blend any harsh lines. Now, as you can see, I switched to a flat brush to pack the yellow color onto my lid because I want that yellow to pop, okay? So my foundation routine is pretty much the same, so y'all don't have to listen to my voice anymore. Now just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. No one can do it like you. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. All the products I use will be listed down below. See you girlies in the next video. Because you are coming back, right? Bye guys.